Welcome to Budgie Buddies. Start the day with cuteness. In today's video, watch our tiny baby budgies enjoy their early morning playtime, from hanging on fresh coriander leaves to doing a fun roof walk like little explorers. Their playful energy, curiosity, and sweet movements make mornings extra special. These tiny moments of joy are what make watching budgies so heartwarming. If you love baby budgie playtime, natural bird behavior, and cute daily routines, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and visit our channel for more adorable budgie videos.